Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about lean, the Plexus product lean. It was a busy day and I didn't really have time to cook dinner, so this is going to be my substitute dinner. I like to make lean as a chocolate shake, and I like to make it really thick, so it's sort of like ice cream. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the lean shake. There are 4 different types that you can get with Plexus, 4 different types of lean. And I was quite confused when I first started using it. So I wanted to take a minute and share with you what I learned. The first is a whey. It's made out of whey, which is a milk product, and you can get it in chocolate flavor or vanilla flavor. Whey is highly digestible. They call it bioavailable, which means it's easy for your body to absorb. And it's a source of amino acids. So it helps the body produce other kinds of proteins as well. So it's 15 grams of RBGH-free protein. What that means is that the animals that the whey is derived from were not fed antibiotics. That's important to some people, although research isn't really showing us that there's a huge amount of difference in antibiotic-free and milk products that have been from animals that have had the antibiotics, but this is very important to a lot of people. So Plexus respects that, and the protein is clean. If you add it to 8 ounces of milk, then you get 24 grams of protein with each shake. There's also vegan. So this is comes in chocolate and vanilla as well. And you get 20 grams of protein in a shake, 21 if you add almond milk or something. And this is derived only from plant sources. So it comes from the protein in the vegan comes from peas and rice, chai and quinoa, buckwheat and millet and amaranth. Other ingredients that are important to consider are prebiotics. It has 5 grams of fiber that are particularly designed to feed the good probiotics in your stomach. Lecithin, which is really good for brain health. Folate. Folate is a form of B9. In a lot of protein drinks, you'll see folic acid, but that is not very bioavailable. About 39% of the population can't absorb um, the folic acid, and so Plexus uses folate instead. It also has biotin, which is very good for your hair, for your skin, for your nails. It's a lovely thing to have. Lean also has iron, niacin, calcium, and frankly, just about anything you can think of. This is the label from the chocolate. This is the label from the vanilla, and they're both full of lots of good things that we all need. So how do you take it? You take lean as a meal supplement, and if your primary goal is to lose weight, then you take it twice a day as a substitute for a meal. And most of my friends take it for breakfast when it's real easy to make and it starts your day out really well. Um, if you're not trying to lose weight, you just want to maintain your weight, or you just want a healthy snack, once a day is fine. So you mix it with a liquid that can be milk, water, or juice. I like to mix the powder with the liquid before I put it in a blender because I like mine blended with other kinds of things. But it's just perfectly fine to just pour the powder in 1 or 2 scoops. I use one most of the time unless I haven't had any protein lately, then I'll use 2. And you put it in a shaker cup and you shake it real hard and then you can enjoy it. It's best, Plexus recommends you drink this cold. And you can blend it with ice or frozen fruit, frozen vegetables, even fresh vegetables. I put spinach in mine sometimes. And it's a very nice way to get children to eat things that they wouldn't necessarily eat um, otherwise, because you can't see it and you can't taste it. It's a delicious shake and it's a good protein source. So take care of yourself, okay?